not like that. The TMC has taken claim for the post of leader of opposition with the support from lone Congress MLA, Mr. Ronnie Lindo. Yes, I have received the letter of there's a letter of submission claiming taking claim to hold the get the position of leader of opposition. But I'm still examining it. I have received it, and I think I will be making a decision very soon because they have now total of 6 members, which is just exactly 10% of the total strength of the House. So in that criteria, they have fulfilled that criteria. But there are other things. It's not the only, requirement. So I'm still reserving my decision. I will take a call on that very soon. As per the claim of the TMC, as they have the support of one lone Congress MLA in the person of Sri Ronnie Lindo. So they have required that they have requested that post of LO be given to TMC and the opposition chief will be given to Ronnie Lindo.